Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to download the StockFish chess engine to your computer. First, you have to open your web browser and in your search engine you have to type the word StockFish. Then in the search results you can see this stockfishchess.org web address. Just below that you can see this download button. You have to click on this download option. Here you have many options to choose from, and if you are using a macOS, Linux or iOS, Android, then you can click on one of these options and download. But I am focusing on the Windows option and I'm going to show you what is the most suitable Windows chess engine for your computer. To begin, I have to click on the See All Windows binaries. In this page, I will put a link in the description to this page. In this page, you can see these binaries. The binaries at the top of the table are fastest but may not support all CPUs. If you don't know which CPU you have, you can go down the list and pick the first binary that does not crash. Note, the StockFish chess engine is a command line program. You may want to use it in your own UCI compatible chess graphical user interface. That means you have to have ChessBase Reader, ChessBase, Fritz or other compatible chess graphical user interface program to run this chess engine after downloading it in the way which I am going to show you right now. There are 6 chess engines in this web page, but what is the most suitable compatible chess engines for your computer? To answer that question, you have to know what is your computer processor is. And if you are using an Intel processor after 2015 or maybe after 2014, you can use this BMI2 chess engine. It is recommended for most Intel processors, so there are no risks if you are using a processor after 2012 Intel processor. And AMD Ryzen, but there are some details that you must read in order to download this. But just click on this download button and you can download BMI2 if your computer is much faster with computer, RAM, video memory, etc. And you can choose this AVX2 option, this AVX2 chess engine, and it is recommended for AMD Ryzen processors. You can choose this engine by clicking on this download button. And if you are using an Intel processor after 2008 or AMD processor after 2011, you can choose SSC 4.1 plus POP-CNT engine, and you have to just click on this download button. And if your Intel processor is after 2006 or AMD processor is after 2011, there's another option, SSC3 chess engine, and you have to click on this download button. But what happens if you don't know what is your Intel or AMD processor is? You have to just click on this 64-bit or 32-bit chess engine and use it. If your operating system is 64-bit, you can choose download 64-bit. If your operating system is 32-bit, you can choose download the 32-bit chess engine. My processor is after 2006 and it is an Intel processor, so I am going with this option. After downloading this file, I can see this zip file, not the engine. To open the engine, you have to go to your download folder. After that, you can see this StockFish zip file. But this is not the chess engine. So to open this StockFish zip file, you have to use 7-zip, WinRAR or WinZip, but sometimes Windows is also supporting to open this file. Just right click it and give a location in your zip extractor program, and after that you will see this folder. In here you can see this StockFish 13 win.exe application chess engine. If you double click on this, you can see that StockFish 13 by the StockFish developers. You can see only this. But to use this engine, you have to open it in a chess graphical user interface. I'm going to show you how to use this chess engine in a graphical user interface in the next video. So that's it for today's video. I've showed you how to download StockFish engine to your computer and how to extract it, because the download file is a zip file. So click the like button if you learn something new, or if you just beginning your chess career. And I am a new YouTuber, and my mother tongue isn't English, so I will pronounce some words in an incorrect way, or I will say something that is not what's the word, that is not right. But I am improving and I am working hard to improve my English. So your subscription is really important for me. And if any chess videos that you think you need, just comment below. I will respond to you as soon as possible. So subscribe to my channel. I am going to talk about many technical chess steps, accepts, and many chess things. And just thank you if you made it to the end of this chess video. See you in the next video.